Hi guys, your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. This is the fringe dress that I'm working on. I actually got to go to Hobby Lobby and get some more fringe because I ran out. And this is going to be with the sheer lace and then the fringe. Let me try to lay it down. Maybe that'll be better. So this is going to be with the fringe. So the dress is going to be sheer up here, and the stones you'll be able to see like around the neck and then the fringe. But I ran out of fringe, and I should have waited to start gluing the stones, but I was so thirsty to see if it was going to be sheer on my skin. So this is so far what I got. I got to go get more fringe to finish it all up, and wish me luck. This is going to be my version of the fringe dress. Bye.